everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We hope everyone is safe and doing well. In today's video, I will be cleaning the refrigerator and doing a little bit of laundry. So if cleaning your refrigerator is something that needs to be done, I hope today's video can motivate you to do so.
I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah.
The solution we'll be using is a cup of hot water to a half a cup of vinegar, half a teaspoon of dish soap, and then about 10 to 15 drops of essential lemon oils.
But my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. But without of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong, baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me
So cleaning the refrigerator is part of our monthly routine. Every month I take apart my refrigerator. As you see, I wipe and clean everything down, the entire refrigerator, and I toss any old food if there is any left, because I actually toss old food every week. And I do this every month. I try not to go past that month time frame because I don't want it to get too bad. Okay guys, so the little black or dark mark that you see in the back of my refrigerator is actually a burn mark. We put in a bulb that I guess was too high of a heat, and so it actually burned the covering in the refrigerator. But we're going to take a little break, and as you can see, we're going to switch out our load, and then we're going to get back to cleaning out the refrigerator. Okay you guys, so this is it for this video. This was actually filmed on a Sunday, so all I ever do on Sunday is wash and cook. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.